All right, Chucky, episode 6 and 7 of season 3. I'm throwing these two together because I don't know why Peacock did not upload episode 6 after the day it released on television, which is what they're supposed to do. They did it with episode 7. I don't know if it was just a glitch with my Peacock account or this was just something that actually happened. I'm not really sure, but whatever reason, when I went to go watch it to do a review, it wasn't there, and now it is there. So now I was able to do a review for you guys of both episodes. So I don't know if I'm reviewing episode 8 next week or later, but I will get to episode 8 whenever I can. These episodes were pretty good. I liked episode 6 a little bit more, just seeing, Chucky actually die and, him blowing up shit was pretty cool. Sorry, I have to say about episode 6. I have a lot more to say about episode 7. Episode 6, though, let me say this, did really bother me with the effects on the actual, missile. Man, that shit looks so bad. I'm sorry. I don't care how low budget the season of this show is. Man, that shit looks so bad. But whatever. Episode 7 had a lot more issues for me because we're doing this ghost shit stuff, and which is fine. I get that there's voodoo in the show, but it's just so goofy. And my thing is Chucky is kind of losing some credibility, I think, with some general audience members because Chucky is now getting so complex within its own lore, and there's fucking ghosts now and stuff. It's getting so goofy that it's not the fun, silly premise. And if there's talks of a Chucky movie being in development in the same timeline and shit, that's gonna be really annoying because I don't think general audiences will go to a theater if it's this kind of shit. It's now so complex that I don't know how you make a Chucky movie work. I still enjoyed this stuff. I enjoyed some of the humor and stuff, and I think the ghost stuff is interesting, but I'm also just worried about what it's gonna mean for the rest of the franchise going forward. Maybe that's just me. But yeah, and I like catching up with Tiffany finally. It felt like she hadn't had a lot to do this whole season, but still. I like Chucky, the show, and the movies, and the character. So anything that goes down, I'll be at least curious to watch. So we'll see how this season wraps up. It's definitely one of the most unique subplots and storylines for a season of this show.